Hello everyone, how are you all? This is video lesson number 9, and in this video we are going to discuss about division of fraction. Okay? Before going to start about division of fraction, first we know about reciprocal of a fraction. Okay? What is reciprocal of a fraction? Two fractions are said to be the reciprocal of each other if their product is 1. Two fractions are said to be reciprocal of each other if their product is 1. Two such fractions whose product is 1, that fractions are known as reciprocal fractions. Okay? Let a by b is a fraction. Here a by b is one fraction. Then reciprocal of a by b is b by a. In reciprocal of any fraction, numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. Okay, so that a by b, when we multiply the fraction with its reciprocal, we get the result 1. A by b into b by a is equal to 1. How it is 1? A and a cancel, b and b cancel. Okay. Here we have some example. 5 into 1 by 5 is equal to 1. It means 5 is the reciprocal of 1 by 5 and 1 by 5 is the reciprocal of 5, vice versa. 5 is the reciprocal of 1 by 5 and 1 by 5 is the reciprocal of 5. Next example, 3 by 2. We have 3 by 2 multiplied with 2 by 3. 2 and 2 cancel, 3 and 3 cancel, and we get the result 1. So, 3 by 2 is the reciprocal of 2 by 3 and 2 by 3 is the reciprocal of 3 by 2. Here we have some questions. What is the reciprocal of 9 by 7? We have to find out the reciprocal of 9 by 7. So, reciprocal of 9 by 7. How we find reciprocal? In finding of reciprocal, numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. So, its reciprocal is 17 by 9. Numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. And product of these two fraction is equal to 1. What is the reciprocal of 2 whole 17 by 15? This is a mixed fraction. So first we convert it into improper fraction. What is given fraction? Given fraction is 2 whole 7 by 15. 15 2 ja 30, 30 plus 7, 37 by 15. So reciprocal of 37 by 15 is, what is the reciprocal of 37 by 15? Yes, it becomes 15 by 37. Numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. Here we see, student, that this is proper fraction, so its reciprocal is improper. Okay, here it is improper fraction, so its reciprocal is proper. Okay. Reciprocal of proper fraction is an improper fraction and reciprocal of an improper fraction is a proper fraction. Okay. Here we have some notes that we discussed right now. Reciprocal of a proper fraction is an improper fraction and reciprocal of an improper fraction is a proper fraction. And the last, reciprocal of 0 doesn't exist. Okay, this is 0. What is the reciprocal of 0? It is 1 by 0 and this number is meaningless. So this is not exist. Okay. Now we learn division of a whole number by a fraction. How we divide a whole number by a fraction. To divide a whole number by a fraction, what we have to do? Multiply that whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. We have to multiply the whole number with the reciprocal of that fraction? Okay, let us understand with the help of some example. 6 divided by 4 by 7. This is a whole number and this is a fraction. So we have to divide 6 by 4 by 7. What we do? We multiply the whole number, that is 6, with the reciprocal of the fraction. It is 4 by 7. What is the reciprocal of 4 by 7? Yes, 7 by 4. Now 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. It becomes 3 into 7 by 2. 21 by 2. Next is 4 divided by 2 whole 2 by 5. What we do first? First we change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 2 ja 10, 10 plus 2, 12 by 5. Now the whole number multiplied with the reciprocal of the fraction, that is 5 by 12. 4 3 ja 12 and our answer is 5 by 3. Okay. Here we have some question. The first question is divide 7 by 4 by 15. We have to divide the whole number 7 by 14 by 15. What we have to do? We multiply the whole number 7 with the reciprocal of 14 by 15. It becomes 15 by 14. 7 2 ja 14 and our answer is 15 by 2. Now we can change it into mixed fraction as well. It becomes 7 whole 1 by 2. Okay. The next one is 10 by 33 whole 1 by 3. So we can write it as 10 divided by 33 into 3, 99, 99 plus 1, 100 by 3. We change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now we multiply the whole number with the reciprocal of 100 by 3. It becomes 3 by 100. 10 10 ja 100 and our answer is 3 by 10. Okay. Now we learn division of a fraction by a natural number. How we divide a fraction by a natural number. Okay. It is very simple, student. To divide a fraction by a natural number, multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the natural number. In the previous one, what we do? We multiply the whole number with the reciprocal of the fraction. Here what we do? We multiply the fraction with the reciprocal of the natural number. Okay. So it is 2 by 7 by 8. We can write it as 2 by 7 divided by 8. So what we have to do? 2 by 7. This fraction number is multiplied with the reciprocal of 8. Reciprocal of 8. It means it becomes 1 by 8. Okay. Now 2 2 ja 2 4 ja 8. 1 by 7 into 4 and it becomes 1 by 28. Okay. Next example is 15 by 4 by 25. We can write it as 15 by 4 divided by 25. It becomes 15 by 4 multiplied with reciprocal of 25, that is 1 by 25. Now 5 3 ja 15, 5 5 ja 25. 3 into 1 by 4 into 5. It becomes 3 by 20 and this is our answer. Okay. Now we learn how we divide a fraction by another fraction, that is division of a fraction by another fraction. What we have to do? To divide a fraction by another fraction, multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. We have to multiply the first fraction with the reciprocal of the second fraction. Here we have two fractions, a by b divided by c by d. This is first fraction and this is second fraction. So what we have to do? We have to multiply the first fraction with the reciprocal of second fraction, c by d. So reciprocal of c by d becomes d by c. Okay. Here we have some example. 4 by 5 by 2 by 3. We can write it as 4 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. This is our first fraction and this is our second fraction. So what we have to do? We multiply the first fraction with the reciprocal of second fraction, that is 3 by 2. Now 2 2 ja 4, it becomes 2 into 3 by 5, 6 by 5. Now we can change it into mixed fraction as well. 1 whole 1 by 5. 5 1 ja 5 plus 1, 6 by 5. Next, 101 whole 1 by 4 by 5 whole 2 by 5. First we change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 4 into 101, 404 plus 1, it becomes 405 by 4 divided by 5 5 ja 25, 25 2 ja, 25 plus 2, 27 by 5. Now what we do? We multiply this first fraction with the reciprocal of second fraction. 405 by 4 into 5 by 27. Now we have to cancel out. We cancel out it from 3. 3 9 ja 27. 3 1 ja 3. 3 3 ja 9. 3 5 ja 15. Now we cancel out from 9. 9 15 ja 135. It becomes 15 into 5 by 4. 15 5 ja, yes, 75 by 4. We can change it into mixed fraction as well. How we change? It becomes 18 whole 3 by 4. 18 4 ja 72. 72 plus 3, 75 by 4. Okay. Now we are going to solve some problems based on division of fraction. This is simplification type problem. The first problem is 1 by 4 divided by 5 by 3 into 4 by 3. Student, in our previous chapter, we learned about D mass. Okay? BD mass. Now we learn BOD mass. BODMAS. B stand for bracket, O stand for off, D stand for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition and S stand for subtraction, and the order of operations are this. First we deal with bracket, then with off, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. The first question is 1 by 4 divided by 5 by 3 into 4 by 3. Here we see that this is under the bracket. So we have to solve this bracket first. What we do? 1 by 4 divided by 5 by 3. So we can write it as 1 by 4 multiplied with reciprocal of 5 by 3, that is 3 by 5 into 4 by 3. Now 3 1 ja 3 and 4 5 ja 20 into 4 by 3. Now 3 and 3 cancel. 4 5 ja 20. It becomes 1 by 5. This is our final answer. Okay. Now the second question is 7 by 2 divided by 11 by 4 plus 9 by 5 into 10 by 3. What we have to do first? First we solve the bracket. So it becomes 7 by 2 multiplied with 4 by 11, reciprocal of 11 by 4, plus 9 by 5 into 10 by 3. 3 3 ja 9, 5 2 ja 10. Now 2 2 ja 4, 7 2 ja 14 by 11 plus it becomes 3 2 ja 6 by 1. Now what we do? These are the unlike fractions. So first we take the LCM of 11 and 1. 11, 11 divided by 11, what we get? 1. 1 multiplied with 14, 14 plus 11 divided by 1, what we get? 11. 11 into 6, 60. 6, 6 plus 4, 10, carry 1. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. Now we can write it as 7 whole 3 by 11. 11 7 ja 77. 77 into 77 plus 3, 80 by 11. Okay. What we do here? Here first we change the division sign with the multiplication and write the reciprocal of the second fraction. Okay. Next question, 7 by 5 of 4 by 9 plus 2 by 3 divided by 4 whole 2 by 3. Student, here bracket and off both are there. So what we do first? First we solve bracket, then off, then division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. So 7 by 5 of, what is the LCM of 9 and 3? Yes, 9. 9 divided by 9, what we get? 1. 4 1 ja 4 plus 9 divided by 3, what we get? 3. 3 2 ja 6. Divided by, now we can change it into improper fraction. 4 3 ja 12, 12 plus 2, 14 by 3. Now it becomes 7 by 5 of 6 plus 4, 10 by 9 divided by 14 by 3. Now first we operate off operator. So 7 by 5 into 10 by 9 divided by 14 by 3. 5 2 ja 10. It becomes 7 2 ja 14 by 9 divide. Now we change the division sign with the multiplication and write the reciprocal of 14 by 3, that is 3 by 14. Now 14 14 cancel, 3 3 ja 9 and our answer is 1 by 3. Okay, that's all for today. Now note down your homework. Okay student, complete your homework. Thank you and have a nice day.